Hey you guys, just wanted to show you guys my small tent. It's day 2. I'm just now waking up. This is my small tent, but I actually slept pretty comfortably. I'm about to get up in a minute and mess with my family. Good morning. Alright y'all, we about to go in this cabin bathroom. Start freshening up. Yeah, not too bad. Mind you, there was a whole family of ducks circling around my tent this morning, like really early this morning. I don't know if ducks have to be loud, like every time they step, do they have to quack? But they were so loud and they did not care about nobody's sleep at all. Oh my goodness. All right, y'all, so I just freshened up a little bit. I'm about to do my hair with some new products I just got from Curl Dynasty. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. But let's just say good morning to everybody. Good morning, Maya.
Good morning.
Good morning, you guys. Good morning. So day 2 of our camping trip.
Hey,
Good morning. My hair's kind of wet, but good morning.
How you doing?
Good, how are you? I'm
Good.
also vlogging from my YouTube channel.
Hi.
Hi. Just, oh yes, I did find it. Yes. Good morning, family. Hi, good morning.
You get everybody on there?
I'm about to. Let's see who else is awake. My phone been dead since yesterday, so I like don't even know what time it is. But I know it's early. Hi. Good morning. Where's your family? Where's your parents? Oh, your dad's asleep. Oh. Hi. Okay, well I'll see you guys when you come out.
Sorry.
It's okay.
We went to bed very late.
Yeah, I believe you. It's okay.
That's what. Can you hand me that, Oh, please. Yes.
Good morning. I'm going on tea.
Hey, baby. How are
What
you?
you doing? What you got?
I'm vlogging.
Oh, nice.
So
I be
good
loving
morning.
watching you.
Yes. Thank you.
I do your notifications, right?
Oh,
so when you
great.
put a new one, it'd be like Janae's Journey. Just
Yes,
added a new show.
great.
I click on it.
Yes, see, you guys make sure you like and subscribe to Janae's Journey. Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you. See? Let's see who else is awake this morning. My family, they're so supportive. I love them. Chelsea.
Chelsea, yes.
Hi, Chelsea.
Hi, Naya.
That's Chelsea. You guys probably can't see her.
Hey.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes. Okay. Let's see who else is awake.
Okay, Naya.
Huh?
Is that really fast?
Pause it? Okay. I gotta get all this love on the camera. Good morning, Kendo. Hi, say good morning.
Good morning.
That's my daughter. Okay. So, the rest of the family, they looking too hurt to be on camera. So, we're about to just go do this hair video. To my campsite to record a video for this company.
Kendall, do you want to learn how to make a video with Jen? Think she gonna watch you?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go, Kendall. It's gonna be real simple. We're gonna do some Bantu knot.
Me and my mommy make a lot of videos. So.
You guys make a lot of videos? Well, that's awesome.
because we said hi to the video. And then we got to go on the race. And then we said, keep them on the side.
Okay.
Bye.
Look at my puppy dogs. Well, they're not puppies, but. All right, y'all.
Don't kick no dust. Okay, there we go.
I'm about to do this, so I'll be back. All right, you guys. So I just finished recording my Curl Dynasty video. So look out for that because that's gonna be coming. I just did these Bantu knots with that. But anyways, okay. So everybody's starting to cook breakfast. Everybody's starting to cook breakfast. It's smelling good, so I'm really excited about that.
Everybody, that's like the retirement. People live in back of it, they always go to set.
It is.
Why is that?
Because it's still close to their family in Vacaville.
But it's way bigger and more stuff, huh?
Bigger. It's like the city for them. It's like a little more stuff to do.
Where you live?
I'm gonna go see what they're doing at this grill.
How long have you been
What's
back
your
from
brother?
California?
Back in North.
Nisha!
3 years now.
Ah,
Nisha!
excuse me. This is a big old grill.
Wow.
That happened to me.
So what's cooking over here?
Everything's about to. Food. Janae, what is in your hand?
Food products.
What product are you modeling today, Janae?
Huh?
What product are you modeling today?
Curl Dynasty.
The cream kind.
Curl Dynasty. Oh, we love
Okay.
Curl
We
Dynasty.
call
Really?
it.
They leave your curls all bouncy and supple.
Yeah.
supple.
Is that a real thing?
Something.
I'm using beauty words.
I'm using beauty words. Something. Something.
Yes.
Something.
This is my first time trying it.
It does
but
something.
They just sent me their products, so I'm just now trying it.
Your hair looks
So it's
so
gonna do something?
lustrous.
Lush, thank you.
In white.
Right.
Okay, I
Oh,
know
and it smells amazing.
Does it?
And she gonna get in the
trying to
camera.
get in the
I want a
camera.
little bit of that. I want a little bit of that. It's so refreshing.
Wow.
Oh my
I like the whiteness.
Oils.
And I like
you.
white people too.
Okay. All right.
Your brother just told me. I'll be right back. I'll see what y'all want real quick.
Anyways, when y'all done cooking, let me know.
You look so casual.
Yeah, but no, you're good. It's vlogging, so I want them to see my family camping trip. This is my
Hey,
cousin
camping.
Nisha.
Hi.
Yes.
Hi, everybody. Oh, everybody.
Yes.
Edit that. It doesn't sound like a girl. So edit that out.
Okay. It's hot.
It is so hot. Stay hydrated.
Stay hydrated in
Good
this
skin,
heat.
good hair, good nails. Hydration. Come on. YouTube it.
Anyways, I'm gonna wait till the food is ready.
Yes.
Like that's
Something worth seeing. Unless you get on the river. Is it waterproof?
It is waterproof.
You don't have a helmet though. You don't have to, Unless you put it on your life
No,
vest.
I was right. Yeah, I don't know. I might just hold it. No, that might be dangerous.
Yeah, especially seeing how like, if you have to pick you or your GoPro, it'll lose. Like, if you have to hold into your float better, that'll be gonzo.
Yeah. So I'm not taking you guys to the river. Maybe to the pool though.
Ooh, we can get to the pool.
Yeah. Get you guys underwater. Get you guys some underwater shots as I promised y'all with my new
You made
GoPro.
that promise?
I did. I'm like, it's a
Okay. Maybe next summer, like, get that full review
Yes,
in.
for
Give them that
sure.
full review.
I sure am. You should have seen my brother just got bit by like a huge bug.
Really?
Like a bug this big. It was literally on him. He was creeped out.
Don't tell me that kind of stuff.
It was big. Ask him.
You didn't want to eat it?
John, tell Chelsea how you just got bit by a huge bug.
Oh, y'all didn't know. Matter of fact, y'all about to paranoid me again.
Oh, what happened?
No,
Where
listen.
did this happen?
This is no exaggeration on that thing. The bug was this big. No, I'm not
like a
kidding. Maybe
beetle.
maybe minus the silver.
Okay.
But no exaggeration. This
And
was
it bit you? Was it a
this
spider?
was this is what happened. I'm doing what I'm doing right now, and I'm sitting down, and I'm like, something bit me, and I go like this, and a fucking bug this big.
Crawls
is
after
right
short?
here. Yes. So I dropped the blunt in my hand and I waved it, popped my arm out, and it falls out, never falls out, and it starts going and it goes under the new tent, lift it up. John comes through Mayday.
Right, and smashes it for me. Thank God.
Thankfully.
It's the no baby area.
Right? Oh, and then did you see the disrespect?
Slapped you and wiped it on
No,
you.
he doesn't like to be dirty. He just wiped himself off on me. Look at this. He just fell and wiped. Yo,
Motherhood.
hold this for a moment.
Trying to play it all like, oh,
Trying to act like he wanted me. He did not want me.
God, it's hot out here in the streets.
The amphitheater, the overlook, the ropes course.
Yeah, no, I like this area down here.
Oh, coffee shop. Oh, this is cool. This is where we were.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Everyone loves this area down here.
Yeah.
We just didn't get it this year. What I wish we could do is we all have these. But those are the...
But I mean, we wouldn't. Well, yeah, that would be cool.
Yeah, like we all have like a door.
That would be cool. We can't get too bougie with our camping though. We already
We're not that bougie. We're all intense.
right this year, because we haven't, you know, got our stuff together in a while.
And
But
RVs is still
this would be
camping.
super bougie,
Yeah, super bougie.
and that's what I'm saying. Let's not be super bougie
Why?
because it's camping. Like we're already bougie enough with our camping.
I feel like camping is like not meant to be like going on the outdoors for us. I feel like it's supposed to be like the environment of being away from stuff, but still like in comfort.
Yeah, yeah.
That's not what a tent is though.
I mean, some people camp and sleep in sleeping bags on the ground.
I know.
That's what people consider camping.
That's no.
I mean, I would
people
never
put
do
tent.
that. I would never do that, but
Most people pull a tent.
let me get in the shade with you, girl, because it's hot.
Hi, I'm Maya.
Oh, this is Sahara, my cousin.
Sahara? Yeah. Most people just call me Vito. They don't
Ooh, it's hot out here.
Hot as a mug.
Yes. Ooh, wait. What do you think it is, like 101?
Oh, it's supposed to be 140 today.
I don't even think it's won anything yet.
No, it feels like
I know, it do feel like it, but it's too early. I don't think it will be yet.
it's not even high 90s.
Yeah, no, it's definitely in the 90s, but I don't think it's the 100s yet. Because what time is it?
Like 11, 12, maybe one.
Yeah, see, yeah, it's not hot. It's not as high as it's gonna be.
I can't wait to get these braces off. I hate tripping over words.
Okay, when you get them off, you'll be very grateful.
happy.
Yeah. Like seriously. All right, y'all, I'm about to get in this thing with my family.
She's not gonna be able to die. She's not gonna be able to die with.
Ooh, this water is cold. Shucks.
It's not in there.
Goodness gracious.
Check inside that bag by chance. Woo! Jesus, this is the worst. And it's not at the bottom.
Goodness gracious. They trying to kill us, sister.
I believe you. You must have dropped it on the way down. Oh.
All right, we're about to put y'all underwater and see what this do. Make sure everything is completely closed. Okay. It's cold. Are you used to it by now? Okay, so you can get used to it.
Sit down with him because he's tired.
Shucks! Goodness gracious!
She's not gonna sit down with him.
Oh, girl, I cannot even get in this. It's like really freezing. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. I don't know. All right, y'all, we in this thing. So I'm about to go underwater. Well, you're about to go underwater, and we're gonna see what it do.
Oh my god.
I'm not dunking. I'm dunking this. I'm dunking. Yeah, I'm not going underwater. I just did my hair. But let's see what it do. All right. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Okay, let's go. You guys, yes. All right, we're in this thing. It is so cool. Woo! Yeah, I'm getting into 5 feet. Let me go back up here because I'm gonna go underwater.
You were holding it.
No, I just went to go.
You can
Say hi.
Can you watch her? I have to take Kevin back to the game.
Sure.
I'm gonna ask everyone that, but
Okay.
so everyone can watch.
Okay.
Can you watch Lola?
Can you watch it?
Everybody watch Lola. Oh my goodness. Squashing me. Squashing me. Yeah, I'm like, alright. That's how you do it.
Honestly, we have more than one.
Hey. Alright. Look at all my familia. We so fine.
Go ahead. Have fun. Of course.
Now this pool is starting to feel good to me.
Underwater, but that means since you're not going underwater, it's just like entirely
My body.
Yeah.
That's okay. They want to see my body. Don't you? Alright, y'all. Let's turn this bad boy off.
Now it's recorded. I didn't even see that button. Tell me something about yourself, kid. What's your name? Sure that's your name? Yeah. So how you feeling today, Sydney? Well, you with the one-word answers, huh? That's how. You know the words, but those ones. Anyway. Hey guys, like and subscribe. Hey guys.
This is my video now. So.
Oh yeah, y'all can I'm gonna have somebody invoice y'all about the tent setup, so don't worry about that. I mean, you know, the labor wasn't free.
Hey, y'all.
Send y'all invoice.
Family camping trip.
Don't care about it.
Everybody care about me. This is my camera.
Okay.
So sweet.
Don't tell anybody, but I'm gonna ask my TT to go to the pool with me, and I'm gonna spray with my water gun, and see if they're gonna expect it. Come on, water gun, please.
Don't be playing with her camera.
So, okay, the clip fell off.
Sydney, come here with my camera. If you're not gonna be doing nothing, I don't want it to be wasting battery just looking at you.